Hello students, this is class 7 chapter 2 practical work. In the practical work, the next topic is our filter. What is the use of filter? Generally in MS Excel, filter is used to see only required data and hide unwanted data. For example, we are having data like this, in which the first column I maintain their name and in second column I maintain their percentage. In this data, I want to see the records of only those students who has got more than 80%. So like this, if we want to select or we want to see only the required data and hide unwanted data, we can use the filter option in MS Excel. There are two types of filter in MS Excel. First is auto filter, and in other word we can say that for simple filtration we can use auto filter, and second one is advanced filter for complex filtration. So let us understand firstly the auto filter. It means that we are going to do the practical of auto filter. To do the practical, firstly we have to open MS Excel app or Excel software. So I typed in the search box Excel. So you will get here Excel app. Click the Excel app and click the blank workbook. You will get the worksheet in front of you. Now we have to maintain data. Now I maintain this data, name and percentage, and I want to apply auto filter on this data to see the required data. So firstly we will select whole data, and to apply the filter option click the home tab option. Home tab, in home tab you will get here in the corner sort and filter. In sort and filter you will get here filter option. So click the filter. See, these triangle buttons will appear beside of the heading. Click the triangle button, you will get more options, and even you will get options for sorting also. You can sort here A to Z, and you can sort here Z to A. So this button only used for using filtration on the name column only. So if you want to filter for percentage column, then you need to click on this button. So here, now I clicked again here, click here, and here at the down one you will get that in front of all the names check mark is there. If you want to remove the check mark, you can remove it. So by removing the check mark, that record will not show on your screen. See, okay. See, and if you want to see all data again, then click the filter button and then click the select all. You will get all the records. Click the OK button, you will get all.